Alright guys, I'm back with more Outlast. This is the 15th episode. I'm trying to look for Father Martin. That creepy old guy. But there's the exit. Hold on. Oh, here's another battery. Note. Pause it if you want to. Alright. Where did Father Martin go? Probably needs a key. Come on, jump! Get up there. Oh, I can't. What is that? How alive are you? You can't read in the dark, now can you? Our own personal cavalry. I don't even know your name, but I've come to think of as one of my blood, my Paul. I hope you don't mind, and I hope you don't indulge the vanity of self-pity, the fear that your suffering is more than others. We all must endure this, and you're nearly done. There's no way to heaven but by the cross, and every man needs another to help drive the nails in. I am here for you. I am waiting ahead. Like this ahead, or I don't know what you're talking about, boy. More bit wire. I'm waiting. Camera guy looking at dirt. Oh yeah, my name is Miles. I just now remember that. Jesus Christ! Sorry, God. Sorry, Jesus. You need to take a rake or something. So you can, like, hurt them. Who's that? Oh, I saw something. Oh my God. Oh my God. Uh-oh. What is that noise? I wanna get out. course. I don't have a key. Jeez. I need a key. What is that? I'm gonna have to look later on. What's that? I heard jingling. Oh, what the? Shit. Maybe the keys aren't here. There it is. There's gonna be something waiting outside now. I just know it. Shoot, wrong way. Oh. What the hell? What the? What is that thing? Climbing up there. Jeez. Oh my gosh. What is that? Oh my god. There's freedom. 1, 2, 3! What do I do now? Do I just drop down? Yes, I do. Oh. Freedom is right there. Right there. Hey, who's that? Who is that? Oh, it's a crazy guy. If he would have gotten out, he would have killed lots of people. What is that? Oh no, it's the big guy! Run! Where are you? Where do I go? Oh. Ah, punk. Oh no! Wrong freaking alleyway! I'm out. Booyah! What's that? Is that a D? Alright, I'm stopping right here. Thank you guys for watching. Part 16 coming up next. See you later, guys. Bye.